Wash the leaves on both sides to remove any dust or dirt. Then dry the leaves with a kitchen towel. Let's get some cassava. I have 2 pieces here that weigh about 600 grams. This amount should give 10 cassava cakes, which are plentiful for 2 persons. We are going to cut and peel this cassava. We have to grate these cassava pieces very finely. We can use a fine grater like this. Alternatively, we can grind them in a blender. This is an easier method. Let's cut the cassava into smaller pieces. Then place them in a blender. Add a little water and run the blender for 1 to 2 minutes until the cassava is finely grated. Pour the grated cassava into a strainer and press out excess water. Now let's measure how much grated cassava we have. These make up 1.5 cups of cassava pulp. To this, we can add ½ cup brown sugar. Make sure to get a good quality brown sugar that doesn't have sand or other particles. Also add ½ cup grated or shredded coconut. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now mix all the ingredients together. We will set this aside and prepare the filling. For the filling, we need ½ cup grated white coconut. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt and mix well. This filling is optional, but it adds to the taste of the sweet treat. Now we are ready to assemble the cassava cake. Before using the banana leaves, we have to soften them over steaming water or over an open fire. Now we are ready to wrap our cassava cakes. We will use the lighter side for the cake. The darker green part is the top of the leaf and will remain outside. Rub some oil on the bottom part of the leaves. Place 2 tablespoons of the cassava mixture and spread it out a little. Then place the filling on top and spread it out. Now carefully bring the 2 sides of the banana leaf together, making sure that the filling is enclosed in the center of the cassava mixture. Then fold the leaves to create a wrapper. Now all the cassava cakes are nicely wrapped up. Arrange them in a steamer. Cover the steamer and allow to steam at high heat for 20 to 25 minutes. To check whether the cassava cake is cooked, open one wrapper. We can see that the cassava mixture has turned brownish and is sticky to the touch. Remove all the cakes from the steamer and allow them to cool down. Let's taste a piece of this cassava cake. It is tasty and slightly sweet, not overly sweet. The center filling is crunchy and slightly salty, and it is so delicious when combined with the sweet sticky cassava cake. Do try this easy recipe and share in the comments how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for your support.